So the Veggie Scrub Cloth is a two-sided cloth. It's scrubby on one side, and then it's more of like a soft material on this side. So I like to use the soft side for more things like berries or just anything that's a little bit more fragile, right? That really can't handle a scrub. But the scrub side, I love to use for like root vegetables, carrots, potatoes, beets, anything like that. Even apples can handle the scrub. So I want to show you how to peel your carrots so you'll never have to use a peeler again. All right, so let me show you how to use it. All right, I have these beautiful carrots that I got from the store today, and I'm gonna be making, let me show you close up what they look like. Pretty nasty looking, right? They're dirty, but I love it because these are fresh from the ground. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet my Veggie Scrub Cloth like this, and then all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna hold it in my hand like that, and I'm just gonna twist on my carrot, just like that. And look, you can see even from there how easy it is to get the skin right off. I'm gonna snap off that because I have a rabbit that is gonna be real happy for those greens. But you can control like how much you peel this carrot just by the pressure you put on when you're twisting. But look at this, just so you can see the difference. Oops, isn't that cool?